Hey guys, thanks for clicking through to the demo video. So if you've got this far, you clearly appreciate and understand that Google reviews are a very, very big deal for any business on Google to increase visibility, authority, trust, credibility, all that good stuff. So you're probably wondering how exactly does it work, because yeah, that's the obvious question. So let's get into it. So there's 3 steps to this, okay? It's pretty straightforward, but I'm just going to take a few quick minutes to walk you through how this works. So this is just a few graphics, right? Just to explain it at a high level, and then I'll go a little bit deeper. So when a customer pays or the service is completed, we then fire an automation where we will ask your customers for a review via WhatsApp and via email, okay? Then the reviews come in and then your visibility increases, okay? So that's a very simple way of looking at it, okay? So if we just go through this one step by step, right? So the first part is when we ask customers for review, so that will be decided by you, okay? So we'll have a conversation about that, and once we determine when that is, we'll build an automation around that. So we integrate with a lot of different systems, payment systems, CRM systems, and we can build out that automation for you, okay? So that's the first part. The second part then is actually requesting the review. So let's just go into the system and have a look how that works. So this is our internal system, which you will have access to, okay? It's app.localgrowth.io. So the trigger is what we will work on together, okay? So we'll come back to that on a separate conversation. So for example, when a customer has paid, we might wait for a day or an hour or a week or whatever it might be, and then we get into it. So then we ask the customer for review, okay, for our review. So this is going to go out via WhatsApp, okay? The text is, we can change the text for your business. There's a lot of placeholders here, which makes sense because we're going to be sending this to many people, and these placeholder texts are dynamic, okay? So they'll change depending on who we're addressing. So broadly speaking then, so it's going to be, hey, first name. So hey John, this is Dave from your business name. Just wanted to ask if you'd be willing to rate us on 1 to 5 based on how our service went, okay? How many stars would you give us, okay? So the idea with that is we're trying to get a feel for how this person's experience was, and basically if it went well, we ask them for a review, okay? And if it didn't go well, we say, oh, listen, sorry to hear it, we'll pass this feedback on to our team, okay? And we'll notify you immediately and ask you to contact that person directly to try and turn the situation around, okay? So that's loosely speaking how it works. And then if we don't hear from them, we have a couple of follow-ups. It's pretty straightforward. But the benefits here, as you can see, are if a person has had a poor experience, you can rescue the situation, and you're not straight away sending them a Google review and then you wake up and you've got bad reviews, okay? So there is a gate there, and yeah, that's essentially how it works. It's a piece of automation. It's pretty easy to understand, and that's how that first part works, okay? So moving on then. So responding to Google reviews. So there's a couple of ways we do this. So as I said, you can do this from the software that we provide, okay? So app.localgrowth.io, and we also have a mobile app, so you can do it from the palm of your hand. Everything's in one place. So there's a couple of ways how you can reply to the reviews, okay? So you can manually reply. You can use, and then, so that's the first way, and then there's 2 ways you can use AI to reply to your reviews, okay? So this is the first way, which is using suggestive AI, which means that you press AI reply, and then the system comes up with a response, and then you have the ability to approve it, and then once you're happy, you press send, okay? So it's semi-automatic approach to review replies. And then the third way, you guessed it, it's fully automatic, okay? So once you're confident and you're happy that the AI is performing and it all makes sense and you're happy with it, and it resonates with your brand and your business, then should you wish to, you can let it just run automatically, and your reviews will be responded to automatically. So that's essentially the second part of it, okay? And there's just a very, very quick statistic here on the right, which says that on a blind test, we gave consumers 2 responses to a review. One was a genuine response from a business owner, and the other was a response via AI. And 58% of people preferred the response generated with AI, okay? So food for thought there, okay? Food for thought. And then finally, guys, this last step is just around showcasing your reviews on your website. So the idea with this is that if someone is already on your website, they clearly have some level of interest in your product or service. So why not actually put your best foot forward and put your best social proof on that web page, okay? So the way we do that is we just grab a widget and we get some code and we copy and paste the code in. We copy the code in, and then we just drop it in on the back end. It's a little bit of code, we can walk you through it, and then you've got all your best reviews in the right place at the right time for the right people. So that's basically how it works, guys. We are running a free trial at the moment for 30 days, so it's quite an extended period of time. We'd love to invite you to give it a run. We'll help you get set up at no cost. We'll build out the automation for you. We'd love to work with you. We'd love to get you some reviews. So guys, thanks for watching, and we will hopefully speak very soon. Thanks.